I made through the towers again. This is the power towers. These are the one that give power to the, I'm assuming to the eastern part of Long Island, east of Bridgehampton. There's Long Pond out there. There's Sag Harbor straight ahead. This is towards east and East Hampton and Amagansett and Montauk. And this is going west towards Southampton and New York City. And this is heading south. This is what I'm heading to. This is what I'm heading to. I'm heading back towards my house. Not that far away, maybe another 10-12 minutes. I don't know, snow seems to be coming a little thicker now. He was coming a little bit thinner before. He looked like a little bit like hail, thicker pieces of snow. But now they're coming down a little bit thicker. And I've done this hike many times. Summer, spring, autumn, but this is actually my first time I do it on a winter day, on a snowy day, right before a blizzard. And about 100 years and change, we used to have a train connecting the Bridgehampton main line and to Sag Harbor, New York. And Sag Harbor is a fishing town. And that's where all the fish ships will come there, and the train will get up and run into the dock and with some ice and load up with fish and head back into the city. So if we could go back in time 110 years ago, we would see some trains running here. The line, I think it was taken down, I believe in 1902 or 1905, something like that. But the train used to run right above here. It would have been interesting to see a train running through all these woods, and now it's a natural trail. And it's just snow keeps coming down. Interesting, beautiful stuff that definitely we don't see in Costa Rica. The cold, the snow, and we definitely got a half an inch of snow on the ground right now. You could barely see the leaves, and it's a nice tree here, a green tree in the middle of these bare trees with no leaves. But this is the winter. We're about 2 days away from the official beginning of the winter, which is the 21st of December, and we're getting welcome with blizzard. So I'll be trying to take as many videos that I could take, so I could show everybody who doesn't get to see this snow. Finally, I'm closing up to my house. I don't know if you guys could hear this. But that's how it sounds when you walk in the snow. Anyway, I'm getting home. This is my friend Enrique's house. He's from Costa Rica. This is the Walker's house, and the road is out there about 50 meters, 150 feet from here. This is a neighborhood behind our house development, and this is the Stutledger, well, whatever. The neighbors next door who have a pool, and I'm coming to the house after, I don't know, I left the house, let me see, I left the house 1 hour 35 minutes ago. When I left there wasn't that much snow here. We could see the leaves now. They're starting to cover up, and that's the house, my QTH. I don't know, I think it's getting foggy here. Something is foggy. I don't know if it's the lens or just okay, here we go. I think I try. My viewfinder is getting foggy because of my camera's being in the tote. Anyway, I'm coming up. I'm coming into the house. Which way? Okay. Okay. I made it back in one piece. Everything is starting to. Now we could say that everything is starting to look like Christmas here. The roof, a little bit of accumulation in the roof. Okay. See? The tower, which fortunately I don't have anything on it right now. I don't think I'll have anything on it. Trees are starting to evergreens, and you can see the car here. You can see the car, we're starting to catch up. I'm gonna write a message here. You see, this is for Sydney, right here. Sydney, love you. Daddy loves you. And this is it. They're starting to head into the house. And unfortunately, I'm gonna have to be shoveling all this tomorrow morning, or maybe even tonight. Let's take a look at the main road. See how it looks. They probably spread salt already here. Yeah, they definitely spread salt here. This is the road. This is the bridge out on Sag Harbor Turnpike. Pretty soon we're gonna hear the guys with the snow plows here. And that's the house. This is the beginning of the blizzard of I guess it will be before Christmas of 2009. Now I'm gonna go head back home inside, and I'm gonna try to upload this into my computer and then into YouTube. And from Bridgehampton, New York, we say goodbye and thanks for watching. And I'll keep you posted.